category number 3. SC1, FBC, Ampars, Badminton. Line judge. Or number 3.
Nice. Di ko aklap.
Ayaw ba line judge? Or number 3. Line judge pa rin or number 3. Board number 3, returning line judge from SB1 or RNF. Thank you.
Nice one.
Board number 4, women's novice players, Melina Alvarez and Selena Alvarez from versus Rose Diaz and Bea Capulan from Lady Ladders. Again, board number 4, women's novice players, Melina Alvarez and Selena Alvarez from versus Rose Borlas and Bea Capulan from Incalas. Board number 4, players please.
Away, away! Away! Yeah! Kaya, kaya! Ang five score!
On board number 6, women's novice
Nice!
players, JC Nice! Sasukin from Boyas BC versus Ana Rose Susco and Christine Company from Arena.
7-10.
Board number 6, women's novice players, JC Velacho and Sasukin from Boyas BC versus Ana Rose Susco and Christine
Ulan!
Sakto juga uban gap. Alright.
Again, for board number 4, women's novice players, Melina Alvarez
14. Pila sila? 14-9.
Lima lang! Kaya! Nice!
Nice! Shot in.
Upat na! Upat
10-14. For love.
0. Kasi lang 0 minute. Nice!
Nice!
Nice. Lubo para makareset.
Nice! Nice! Ah! Fifteen.
Mawi! Talagaan na sa likod. Kaya aron luya-luya sa gamay ba?
Line judge kayo sa court 6.
Nice. Basta po. Tikas.
Nice!
Upat! Kaya! Lima! Limara, sure na sunod! 16, 11.
11.
Lima! Sure lang! Put, ang ganito. Tawagin. Ganina naman na put ang serve na. Ano wala na tawagin? Oh?
Court number 4, women's novice. Players, Melina Alvarez and Selena Alvarez versus Rose Morlas and Bea Tagulan from Inclines. Let's just wait lang 6:50 and then we will start our voting time.
Nice!
Unal! Nice!
Nice! Ah! Nice!
Sorry, my bad. Court number 4.
Corner!
It's women's G players Janila Vitas and Juan Sargosito from RNF
Ah!
versus
Nice.
Pangala and Para Pipito from Goodminton. Sorry players, nalibat ko. $625 million match for court number 4. Women's G players Janila Vitas and
Nice.
Juan Sargosito from RNF
Corner.
versus Angel Mapula
Nice!
and Para
Nice!
Players for court number 4, please.
Ayaw permente sintro ang shuttle. Wala nila corner. Na shuttle pero sa tumak kami.
Umpire,
23.
judge Medical court number 6.
Kanino na excerpt?
Umpire court
Wala
number
ito wagi.
4.
Nice! Nice!
Balik!
Nice!
Nice!
O kung musubot mo, wala na lang tayo ng judges, tignan mo rin lang mo sa umpire's decision later. Okay naman ka ninyo, di ka magaling judge. Isa na lang po yung court six.
Sabi po, oy!
Ikaw wala yung umpire.
Hindi!
Thank you, sir.
Balik!
Nice!
Itaas! Oh, ang judul eh. Oh. Nice. Pikas.
Winner by default,
Nice.
court